Just a moment, just a moment. What type of case you have asked for listing?
Lordship, this order is passed by this honorable court.
Okay.
That needs to
And
be
your what
corrected.
type of case?
It is appeal, mal, statutory appeal.
Statutory appeal.
Fresh, mal. For the first time. First.
কি কিটা আছে মোৰ? Matrimonial appeal আহিব। ইয়াত কেলে লিজ হৈছে তেতিয়াহ'লে? কাটি দিলে। That was close. আমাৰ কেইটা? Arbitration. All right.
May please, Lordship, this matter relates to release of the amount deposited by the insurance company. Let the matter be listed on 22nd.
Why everybody is interested in day after tomorrow? 22nd পাই নেকি? তিনটা হৈ গ'ল এতিয়ালৈকে day after tomorrow. 24.
24, two matters, Lordship.
Yeah, please.
Two matters, okay.
I beg to mention item number 14. Up to date case diary was called for, but that has been not received, my lord.
Did not receive, my lord.
Okay.
So it has to be sent back.
It is 14.
14, no?
14.
Up to date case diary has called for 14 leave. It's not received. Issue reminder, list the matter. When do you want?
5th of May.
5th of May.
5th of Oblige.
My lord, I beg to mention for listing of a MSc appeal, my lord. It was last posted on 24th of May 2022. Thereafter, matter has not been listed, my lord.
When do you want?
On 24th,
Fine. 27.
oblige.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention for listing of an IA in MSc appeal, my lord. We are for the respondents. We filed this IA to vacate the stay order whereby the Honorable High Court stayed the execution of the award passed by the MSCT.
MSc appeal. When do you want?
On 24, my
24 fine. On 27?
27. Lordship.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention item number 35, MSc appeal. With the consent of the opposite side, the matter may kindly be be fixed in the last week of the May.
35. You haven't taken my consent. I'm for the appellate. Huh?
Yeah.
Aristo nursery is. Oh, that's one. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay, she has taken my consent.
Learned counsel, miss?
Your
Your name, your name.
Sumanda S. Das.
S. Das, on behalf of learned counsel, Mr.
Akhilesh Lal.
Akhilesh Yadav? Huh?
Akhilesh Lal.
Akhilesh Lal.
Yes.
A. Lal, on
Yes.
behalf of learned counsel, Mr. A. Lal, with the consent of the other side, has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on Kita did this, 29th of May.
Oblige.
May please, your lordship. May I beg to mention item number 25 of the daily list, your lordship. Herein some correction is required to be made in the substitution petition, your lordship. We are in touch with the petitioner, but he could not come due to some personal difficulty. 1 week time may be granted, your lordship.
You have taken the consent from the other side?
Lordship, we didn't seek the consent
You are for the
because
respondent,
we are from the petitioner, your lordship.
petitioner.
Yes. Some correction has to be made for which we are seeking the short adjournment, your lordship.
What is your name?
J.K. Roy on behalf of R. Sharma.
Learned counsel, Mr. J.K. Roy, on behalf of learned counsel, Mr. R. Sharma, has prayed for adjournment as
Some correction is required to be made in the substitution petition.
as some correction is required to be made in the substitution petition. Prayer for adjournment is allowed. List the matter on. After 1 week?
Yes, up to 1 week.
May it
Take your
please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 26, my lord. Here, my lord, attending counsel MS Didas Burman, she is in bereavement, my lord. So matter may be passed over for the day, my lord.
Learned counsel, Miss
M. Burman.
M. Borman, on behalf of learned counsel, Miss D. Das, has prayed for adjournment as learned counsel, Miss D. Das Bormonde is in bereavement. List the matter after 4 weeks, maybe?
Already rituals is over. She has instructed me
2
to
weeks.
pass over for the day, my lord.
Okay. A request has been made for since Kodiba Namkini Thakok
the day.
to pass over the matter for the day. And
Oblige.
beginning or Namkini Likhi diba sab.
Oblige.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship, my lord,
Hmm.
I beg to mention 13, my lord.
Hmm?
At 13, my lord.
13.
Can you
Yes.
come up to 1 week, my lord?
Learned Counsel Mr. N. Mohajan has prayed for adjournment. List the matter dated the 1 week. 29 April.
Obliged, my lord. Your lordship.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a IA, your lordship, for condonation of delay in MSc appeal, your lordship.
When do
Next
you
week,
want?
maybe 27, my lord. Obliged.
Item number 1, motion.
Wait, this is a lordship. My lord, 483 application, and I'm behind the bar in this case, my lord, for 1 year, 10 months, is 16 days as on today, my lord. Till the filing of this present bail application, my lord, there is not a single witness who has been examined.
NDPS will need the.
Yes, yes,
trial
madam.
court record.
My lord, along with the CD lordship.
Yes,
Clear-
call for the scanned copies of the trial court records along with the scanned copies of the CD. List the matter.
Next week, my lord, if possible, 28 or 29, my lord.
29th of May.
Deep, deep,
29th of April.
My lord, deep, deep, April, my lord.
Please, your lordship. Can my humble prayer, PCR may kindly call for your lordship, charge sheeted case, lordship.
Charge sheeted.
Charge sheeted.
Call for the trial court record, call for the scanned copies of the trial court records along with the scanned copies of the case diary. List the matter.
29.
On 29.
29, lordship. Obliged, lordship.
Item number 3 or admission.
Wait, please, your lordship, lordship, can the matter may be taken after a week, your lordship? The inconvenience is there.
Okay.
Learned Counsel Miss
ST box, your lordship.
ST Bokt. With the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment. List the matter after 1 week.
Oh, lordship. Obliged, your lordship.
Item 4.
May I please be with Lord? Lordship, this appeal is prepared by the claimant for enhancement of compensation, Lordship. The appeal may kindly be admitted. Judgment and award dated 306/2025.
Learned Counsel
MSc
Mr.
Amin
A.
Gaon.
Agarwal is present on behalf of the appellants. Full stop. This appeal is preferred by the appellants claimants who are aggrieved by the judgment and order dated
36/2025. 306.
6/2025.
MSc
As
Amin
they
Gaon.
are aggrieved by the quantum
Quantum.
of compensation, full stop. Admit, issue notice to the respondents returnable within 4 weeks. Call for the trial court records, list accordingly.
Steps by speed post.
Speed post.
Steps by-
Call for the heavy issue notice by speed post.
Speed post and as usual. Also both sides.
As well as by usual
Court
process.
process. Yes, yes.
Item 5.
May it please your lordship,
Mm.
lordship, in this case, the IA for stay will be filed today, so can it come on Friday, lordship, with, so I'm taking an adjournment today, lordship.
Okay. Learned Counsel Ms. R.D. Mazumdar for the Oriental Insurance Company has submitted that an IA for stay will be filed and this matter will be listed after a week.
No, lordship, on Friday.
And this matter will be listed on 24th April, list accordingly on 24th April.
Item 6.
6 also same, lordship.
একে লিখে দিব, huh?
Fine.
Same order.
Item 7.
7, lordship, we have filed one IA that is also numbered, but then it is not tagged with the record, so
Learned
registry.
Counsel for the Oriental Insurance Company, Ms. R.D. Mazumdar has submitted that an IA has been filed.
1141 of 2026,
Being IA number 114
of 2026.
of 2026, which has not been tagged along with the record. Full stop office to tag the IA along with this main appeal, MSc appeal 589/2025. List the matter when you want.
On Friday itself. lordship.
Ready? Fine. Some other
Admission,
day.
lordship, admission. Or Wednesday, because it is tagging only. Kali. Acha, ठीक है. I'll oblige, lordship.
Item 8.
The petition is not present.
No one present. We have no objection admitting the
Admission.
appeal.
Huh?
Admission.
They have filed the appeal, insurance companies filed the
If they are
appeal.
not present, why should I admit it?
It will be taken up after some time.
Insurance company, no? They'll come after some time, I know. Otherwise, we can fix it on another day also, for another day also. They'll come after
Let's
some
just
time.
wait for some time. Yeah.
One day approved, yeah.
Because they are.
Item number 9.
9 अहा নাই একে নেকি Oh, yes, water, where is the water logging? Oh, so we will not dismiss or anything of such.
The Thailand might have.
Yes.
Only the gate road is open.
Parties are not represented, 9 likhi diya, list the matter after 1 week. I understand, I have heard about the water logging.
Yeah.
Item 10.
Lordship, little accommodation required, matter may be adjourned for the day, Lordship.
Lordship, we have received the brief today itself, Lordship. I am for the respondent. We will file the wakalatnama in main course, Lordship.
Okay.
3 weeks maybe.
As agreed by both the sides, list the matter after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship. We have to go through, Lordship. Okay.
Obliged.
Item 11.
It time being to Hunkala Didi by water logging who has most probably Nahibu Sage.
Item 11.
Parties are not represented, list this matter after 1 week. 26 or high, Kuna. Pari Digole. About 12 বিচাৰি পোৱা নাই যে বাকিখিনি চাই দিম পাছত 12 আৰু 15 টো পোৱা নাই ন
Item 12. Item 12.
May it pleases your Lordship. Lordship, this is a statutory appeal filed by the insurance company. Being aggrieved by the fact that the tribunal has given a judgment of pay and recovery, whereas as per the new act, Lordship, after the amendment, there is no provision for pay and recovery. Earlier act had it. That is meant, and other than that, there is on quantum also, some grounds are on quantum also.
আগৰটো এইমাত্ৰ এডমিট এটা কৰিলো যে কেছ নম্বৰটো দি দিবাচোন মই ক'বলৈ পাহৰিলো কেছ নম্বৰটো আগৰ এডমিট কৰিলো যে Learned Counsel Miss R.D. Muzumdar is present for the Oriental Insurance Company. Full stop. The appellant, i.e. the insurance company is agreed by the judgment and order dated 18/12/2025 in connection with MSC case number 1663 of 2020. Full stop. The insurance company has questioned the quantum of compensation and
Also that the pay and recovery provision is no more there in the amended act.
And has also disputed that and has also submitted that there is no provision for pay and recovery in the new amended act. Full stop. In the amended act, new Learned Counsel, Mr.
I just came to submit the wakalatnama.
Okay.
Lordship, he'll have to submit in the registry, not to the court. That is, you have to submit it there. Otherwise, nothing.
Wrong Farpi. Lisa Wrong Farpi.
This man.
You are Lisa Wrong Farpi.
No, submitting on behalf of my senior. No.
Huh?
Pavisho, submitting on behalf of my senior.
What is the name to? What is the name?
Your name, you tell the court.
Is it Pavisho?
I want the spelling, that's why I'm asking what is your name.
THAIZII.
Is present on behalf of whom?
The respondent.
You give your
The
spelling.
Yes, ma'am.
On behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr. So-and-so is present on behalf of so-and-so.
I think he will be for claimant respondent number 1 then.
Yes,
Lordship.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, is representing learned counsel Mr. So-and-so is present for learned counsel Mr. Miss So-and-so, representing the respondent number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Stroke claimant.
My lord.
নামটো ভৰাই দিব পাছত admit this appeal, issue notice to the respondents, returnable within 3 how many weeks?
4 weeks, Lordship.
Returnable within 4 weeks, list accordingly.
Yes,
You give your name and your senior's name.
And there is a stay petition, Lordship. There is a IA.
IA
Yes, Lordship.
will take up later, let them come. IA.
Okay, Lordship. Right.
Waterlogging, I think they won't turn up today.
No, yes, appeal.
Oh, they are already here.
appeal is against the quantum of our Lordship.
Quantum.
Lordship, appeal may be admitted. Very small amount, Lordship, 7,35,000. They have challenged the multiplier. The court has given 7, they are saying it should be 5. Only on that part, Lordship.
Learned counsel, Mr. Once more your full
Okay.
name? Huh? KK Bhatto is present for the Reliance Insurance Company. Full stop. The insurance company is aggrieved by the judgment and order dated 4/11/2024 in connection with MSC debt case number 53 of 2019. Full stop. The insurance company has questioned the quantum of compensation. Full stop. Learned counsel Mr. S.K. Poddar is present on behalf of the claimant stroke respondent number 1.
No, I am for the Lordship. Just a minute.
Respondent number 1 to 4.
1 to 4, Lordship.
No, 1 to 3.
Respondent number 1, 2,
1,
and
2, and
3.
3.
1 point.
Full stop. Issue notice to the respondent number 4
4 and 5 over.
and
The
5.
owner and driver.
Respondent number 4 and 5. Returnable within 4 weeks. List accordingly. Admit lihila. Admit.
Yes, no?
Yes.
You want to press the I now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. You will raise objection.
No, Lordship, it may be, we may be allowed, they may be directed to deposit rupees. Minimum there should be any 5 lakhs death case, Lordship. At any cost, it cannot come down to 5 lakhs rupees. Total amount is 7.35 with interest. So they may be allowed to deposit 5 lakhs with interest, Lordship. Let the amount be remained.
Only 5 lakhs.
Only 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs with interest, interest is there, Lordship. Hardly if their contention is admitted, then also it will come down hardly 1.2 lakhs. Difference will be. Near about 6 lakhs it will be, even if accepted, Lordship. Then also it will come to 6 lakhs.
Yeah. Learned counsel Mr. KK Bhatto for the insurance company has is present is present. Full stop. The application has been filed by the insurance company with prayer to stay the impugned judgment and order dated 4/11/2024 passed by the London member MSCT Morgan in MSC case number 53 of 2019. Full stop. Learned counsel Mr. S.K. Poddar is present on behalf of the
1 to 3 Lordship.
respondent stroke opposite parties 1 to 3 and the some has raised no objection subject to raise hand has raised no objection if the compensation or if the compensation along with compensation of rupees 5 lakhs along with interest is deposited by the insurance company. Full stop. I have considered the submissions at the bar. Full stop. The insurance company is agreed by the multiplier used to calculate the compensation, which has allegedly inflated the compensation amount, considering the submissions of the bar, the operation of the judgment and order dated 4/11/2024 is stayed until further orders, subject to the condition that the insurance company deposits rupees 5 lakhs before the registry
Registry.
of this court within how many 2 weeks?
6.
Within 6 weeks from today. Within 6 weeks from today.
With interest, Lordship.
Yes, yes. Along with interest, rupees 5 lakhs along with interest within 6 weeks from today.
Lordship, order may pass for withdrawal of the Lordship by the petitions.
All right, we pass an order. Full stop. The claimants may withdraw the deposited amount, the aforementioned deposited amount from the registry of this court. I got a registry of this court. From the registry of this court on proper verification of the claimants by the registry.
Obliged.
In terms of the above observation, this IA stands disposed of.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 11.
11?
Yes, sir.
11 people were. Okay, okay. You want your appearance to be
Yes, sir.
recorded? KK Bhatta is present in Likhit. You want to submit anything?
Yes, sir.
11 to
for
guide-
admission, Lordship.
Yes. 11 years.
Yes, appeal may be admitted, Lordship.
Learned counsel Mr. KK Bhatta is present on behalf of the insurance company. Full stop. The appellant stroke insurance company is agreed by the judgment and order dated 18/12/2024, 25, passed by the learned member MSCT Gwalpara in NEC case number 330 of 2018. Full stop. The insurance company is highly aggrieved by the quantum of compensation. Full stop. Admit the appeal. Full stop. Issue notice to the respondents returnable within 4 weeks. List accordingly. All for the trial court records. All for the records, original records from the tribunal. A good admit admit original records from the tribunal likhi diyo.
And I for the stay, Lordship, stay may be granted subject to deposit of 50%.
Stay may be granted subject to
Deposit 50%.
ex parte.
Lordship.
What is the compensation?
Audit amount is, Lordship, 10,25,000.
Two I. Which I you are pressing?
Lordship, one IA is for the Lordship dispensing petitions. Judgment was finding along with the main appeal, Lordship. There was 6 analogous appeals, Lordship. Already one appeal has been admitted, 2 appeal admitted, Lordship. So, Lordship, in this appeal, Lordship, stay may be given subject to deposit of 50% amount.
Bus accident.
Lordship,
Bus accident.
Lordship.
Bus.
No bus, Lordship, private vehicle, Lordship. Private vehicle, there was a sitting capacity of 7, Lordship, there was 12 number of passengers, Lordship. It was overcrowded.
So you are pressing the IA for stay.
Stay, Lordship.
Death or injury?
Death case, Lordship. Lordship.
Let them come because other appeals are admitted. There may be IS there. Stay
In
may
other two also,
stay may have been granted.
stay was granted, Lordship.
So let it come. Let the records come.
Item 15. May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to see adjournment for today as my For some inconvenient reason, my senior is out of station, Your Lordship.
Okay. Learned Counsel Miss
B. Talukdar,
B. Talukdar is present on behalf of Learned Counsel Mr.
DJ Halul.
DJ Halloy, with comma representing the petitioner. Full stop. You have a CD.
CD is there, my lord.
Ah.
CD is lying, my lord, from the before vacation also, perhaps, my
We'll
lord.
send back the CD then. When
No,
when
If he
Mr.
comes again, it will happen.
DJ Halloy
Short date, my lord.
24 April, any date can be fixed.
24.
24 April.
CD is lying here from vacation 1 week, more than 1 week. Investigation has to continue.
Yes.
Why DJ Halloy is not present today?
For some medical reason, he's out of station for treatment.
Treatment. When will he
Yes.
return?
24 April.
That is on 27th April, my lord. 24th is Friday.
It is
Next Monday.
submitted that Mr. DJ Halloy is out of station as he is undergoing treatment for his ailment, full stop, a comma, and he'll return on 24th April. CD is received. Retain the CD till 27th April. List this matter on 27th April.
Yeah. Highly of that.
And 34, another matter.
Oh,
Item 34, updated.
hold a second.
Nah.
Oh.
Oh, we'll wait.
Item 16.
Anyway, some this petitions are not maintainable. I'll explain.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, as per the last order dated 9/2/2026, there was a direction to take steps toward paper publication, and we have filed it on 19/4/2026.
You have submitted an affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No, there's no affidavit.
Lordship, we filed it on 19/3/2026.
Affidavit মই পোৱা নাই আছে নেকি এফিডেভিট ইয়াততো হেৰি আছে অফিচ নোট অলসো অফিচ নোটিস লাষ্ট অফিচ নোটিস
13/3.
13/3/26
Yes, Your Lordship, we filed it on 19/3.
okay after 13th
Yes.
Learned Counsel Miss
PC Sangma.
P
PC Sangma.
PC Sangma has submitted that an affidavit regarding paper publication has been submitted on 19/3/2026. Full stop. Office to place the affidavit on record. List this matter after 1 week.
Right, steps were taken to serve notice upon the respondent number 2 on 17/3/2026, but that was not reflected in the office notice. Lordship.
Mm. 13/2/26 last note.
13/3/26 steps were taken.
Learned Counsel Mr.
A. Hussain,
A. Hussain is present for the
appellant.
appellants and has submitted that steps were taken on
17/3/2026.
17/3/26 to issue notice to respondent number 2. Full stop. It is some office note, however, does not reflect the same as office note, however, does not reflect the same to the last office note was on 13/2/2026. Full stop. Service report on respondent number 2 is thus awaited. Learned Counsel Mr.
A. Acharya for respondent number 3, insurance company.
A. Acharya is present for respondent number 3. List after 2 weeks. Very old case.
Fixed date. Lordship, in item number 18, the appellant Ananda Khatri is suffering from cancer. This is on her last stage, Lordship. Fixed date.
It's a date, very old case.
No, Lordship.
Date 4th of May.
Look.
I think it will return by then.
Public. Must.
It's 17, 18 today, I can.
Similar. Only
Join club. Can we club it together and pass the order?
It's already club.
Already club. Yes, yes.
Leadership, as per last order dated 3/11/2025, the name of the driver of the offending vehicle, that is respondent number 4, the code, it was struck off, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And the matter is fixed, ready for hearing, Your Lordship.
We'll fix it for hearing, okay?
My lord.
Name of the driver has been struck off, not required actually.
My lord.
There's no policy dispute.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
Yes, Sharma.
S. Sharma is present on behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr.
S.K. Goswami.
S.K. Goswami. Full stop. Learned Counsel, Mr.
AJ Sharma.
A.J. Sharma is present for
Respondent number 1.
respondent number 1. And 2.
And 2, my lord.
Respondent number 3 has not appeared despite service of notice on respondent number 3. We have the original records of the tribunal before us. List this matter for hearing.
In the month of possible, my lord.
2019.
That's why my
We'll
lord.
give you a date.
12th of May. Hello, great.
Admitted earlier. Admitted. Okay.
Great.
Item 20.
Your Lordship.
The matter was last listed on 2022. Therefore, I couldn't take the steps upon the respondent. I may be allowed to take steps upon the respondent.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
R. Paul.
R. Paul is present on behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr.
G. Khandelia.
G. Khandelia. Full stop. Steps to be taken to issue notice to
All the respondents.
the respondents returnable in 4 weeks.
Yes, yes.
List accordingly.
Oblate.
Item 21. Hari LCR আছে না?
This is your lordship. Lordship, office note is dated 6/4/26. That steps not taken, but we have taken step on 8/4/26, lordship. So lordship.
IA?
No, yes, in the IA, because there was substitution, lordship. After that, we were asked to take steps on legal eyes of respondent number 5.
We have taken steps of
8/4/26, and the office note is of 6/4/26.
Okay. Learned Counsel Ms. R.D. Muzumdar has submitted that steps have been taken to issue notice to the respondents on 8/4/2026. Full stop service reported on the respondents is awaited. List the matter after
4 weeks, lordship.
4 weeks.
Hello, bless.
Item 22.
Pay for the respondents of the. Probably service upon the respondent number 3 is not complete in this matter. They were, the appellants were probably directed to take fresh steps on the respondent number 3. Been going on since long now.
Last Lawasima's order was container respond number, the new address of respond number 3 is new address. Petitioner may take steps. So it was 8/11/2023 last order. Oh, no, not 8/11/2023.
Recently.
Recently, 13/3/2026.
Probably they have not,
Awaited.
not taken steps probably. Been going on for the last 2-3 years, maybe. I don't know what they are contemplating in this matter.
There's any stay order? No
It's
stay
a
order.
statutory appeal, my lord. These are admitted as in the
Admitted,
usual
okay.
course, my lord.
But no stay order.
Silly, I don't remember. I'm absolutely sorry,
I
man.
don't think so there's any stay order. So we can,
But there is no stay order because since they did not get a
condemnation
fair.
of delay. Okay, then we'll have to wait for.
Is there an application for condemnation of delay, man?
He already disposed of, I think. In 2024, already disposed of. Oh, no, 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 no.
Then this, if.
No, not condemnation of delay, amended cost title.
Yes, ma'am.
So it was this.
Because delay is not condonable in these matters. There is judgment by Honorable High Court Melody. It says that delay beyond 90 days, it's not condonable, and Section 5 of the Limitation Act would not apply in these matters. So
We'll have to wait for service.
absolutely, ma'am.
Appellant is not represented today. Learned Counsel, Mr.
B. Sharma.
D. Sharma. B. 21 Negi. Mr. B. Sharma is present for respondent number 2. Whatever respondent number 1.
Mr. K. Gogoi appears, my lord. Cost of Gogoi. CGSC.
Service report on respondent number 2 is awaited. List after
3, respondent number 3, my lord.
Service report on respondent number 3 is awaited. List the matter after
8 weeks, my lord. Nothing is
8 weeks.
Well, I don't.
4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Seems that they are also not interested anymore.
It looks like.
Item 23.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, in persons of the last order,
Mm.
lordship will find amended cost title, lordship. So, lordship, kindly grant us a 1 week time, lordship.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
P. Mary, lordship.
P. Mary on behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr.
BK Das, lordship.
BK Das, representing the appellants, has submitted for time to file the amended cost title.
Yes, lordship.
List the matter after 1 week.
Yes, lordship. Mass oblige.
Item 24.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 1 to 5. And as per earlier order, service report of respondent number 6 and 7 was awaited.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
Ardora.
Ardora is present for respondent number 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
1 to 5. Full stop. Service report, office note dated 12/3/2026 indicates that service report on respondent number 6 and 7 is awaited. List after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 27.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, this appeal has been preferred by the insurance company against the award passed in our favor by the MACT. My lord, in this case, the insurance company, after filing the appeal, they deposited 50% before the registry of the Honorable High Court.
They did not deposit.
50% of the awarded amount.
They have not deposited.
They deposited before the registry. We applied for release of that amount. Honorable Court ordered to release that amount deposited by the insurance company. But the registry was doing some complications. They followed the MACT order. MACT order categorized the amount in the name of grandmother, in the name of grandson, granddaughter. So that was apportioned in that way by the MACT. But our submission is that, my lord, when the matter is subject before the Honorable High Court, that MACT award cannot be carried out by the MACT. They have done that. Honorable High Court has ordered the amount deposited by the insurance company should be released. Straight away that should be released. Why the registry is doing all these anomalies? Even my lord, bond has taken from us about the whole amount of 50% deposited by the insurance company, but less amount has been allowed. That's why you filed this case. Your
You want me
lordship,
to pass this order
lordship,
ex parte?
my lord,
You are submitting to pass this order ex parte. Because the other side is not, that first order was to issue notice to the respondents.
notice was issued earlier on several occasions. They appeared also, insurance company. It is their appeal, not ours.
I know.
We are respondent. My lord, main case, your lordship.
They won't object also. They won't raise any objection.
What objection they will have, my lord? Practically, they don't have any objection. It is
So they were trying to apportion the amount according to the order of the court.
my lord, it is the concern of the registry. Honorable High Court has ordered to release the amount deposited by the insurance company. Registry should release. My lord, kindly, the main case may be seen.
I know, I'll understand.
There is an order from the registry. There is an order from the registry in the main appeal, my lord. 434.
But why you have not submitted earlier when they were appearing?
My lord.
Respondents, why you have not submitted today? There is no communication also, and today ex parte. I don't want to pass any order ex parte.
Communication?
Because there is no communication. I think waterlogging, I think there is waterlogging in several areas in Gauhati, so people are unable to arrive.
Yes, sir. It's up to your lordship, my lord. We don't.
We will, next time if they don't come,
yes,
then I'll
yes,
pass
we
the order.
don't press upon your lordship to pass in the ex parte order. Let them come. Okay. My lord, another IA, your lordship will see.
This IA, you are submitting this IA. What is the prayer in this IA?
Yes, my lord, this number
176.
176. Yes. My lord, what happened in this case? We filed this IA 176 for releasing that, for releasing that 50% deposited by the insurance company. That IA was not found subsequently. That was missing.
Okay.
Having found that IA missing, having no other alternative, my lord, we filed a subsequent petition, subsequent IA. That is numbered, my lord, 772 of 2025. That subsequent petition was allowed by the Honorable High Court. 772 of 2025. These were the allowed matter.
No, it is allowed, yes. It is allowed.
Yes, my lord, it was allowed. And the earlier one, my lord, which was
176.
missing, we did not press that.
We have found it now.
Yes,
IRCB, we have
now
found
that
it
has come. So that may be ignored or your lordship.
No, because in this order it is reflected. You cannot press this 176 now.
Yes.
So it has been allowed. Now what to do?
My lord, it was earlier not pressed. That's why subsequent IA was allowed by the Honorable High Court.
Yes,
So,
it is allowed. So now that registry, the complaint against the registry, you have brought it through an IA or in what manner?
No, we have filed an IA, my lord, for this. Actually, I'm filing 50% release. 3774, my IA 3774, 2025.
Yes. So 19. Yeah, okay.
IA 3774. This is the petition we filed for releasing that amount by the registry.
Or this is the IA you are submitting now?
Yes, madam. So, my lord, our case is very simple. Award is there in our favor. They have filed the appeal. They have deposited 50%. Honorable High Court ordered to release that 50%.
So without issuing notice, you are asking me to dispose of this IA?
Well,
No,
listing
not,
an
not listing an IA. This has not been listed also.
It has not been listed today.
No.
Then it may be ordered to be listed, my lord. Yes.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
J. Mullah.
J. Mullah is present and has submitted that he has to press the IA, that he is willing to press the IA number 3774 of 2025, which has not been listed, along with the other matters which has been listed today. Full stop. List this IA number 3774 of 2025 along with IA number with MAC appeal number 434 of 2019. List on.
My lord, it should be along with IA 772 of 2025.
IA number 772 of
Yes.
2025 and MAC appeal number. Now MAC appeal to and MAC appeal number 434 of 2019 on data
Along with 22.
on 29th of April. 29th of April. Twenty-seven.
I can appreciate.
Let me kindly go through the official date 13/3, my lord. The case was fixed on 16/3, but on 16/3 case was listed, but court was deferred. The so far as the steps upon the respondent was concerned, it was official on 13/3. There's no updated official. Therefore, a date may be fixed with a updated official.
Learned Counsel Ms. P. Bora is present and has submitted the last order, or that the last office note is on 13/3/2026 and a direction may be given to the registry to update the office note after 13/3/2026. Post up registry to update relating to service of notice on respondents.
Only one respondent.
Responded
Date may be fixed.
on and list this matter on 30 April.
Public.
Item 29.
May it please your lordship.
No.
My lord, the trial court records has been received. Matter may be fixed for hearing, my lord.
Learned Counsel Mr. D. Rathi is present for the appellant and learned government
CGC.
Learned CGC Ms. B. Sommer is present for the respondent.
Sole respondent.
UOI, full stop. List this matter.
Covered matter, my lord, if a short date can be fixed.
Okay.
On 14 May.
Much
It was
obliged.
earlier admitted, no?
Yes, my lord, it has been admitted. Records has been received.
Next, the trial court records are received. No, trial court record. The original records are received from the tribunal. List this matter on
7th of May.
7th of May for earlier it was admitted, or should I admit it to?
Yeah, it
It
was
has been
admitted.
admitted, my lord,
Admitted,
in the very first day.
No, I'll admit it today. It has not been admitted. There's no order admitting.
My lords may admit and fix it for hearing, my lord. My lord, the matter pertains to an appeal filed under section 23 of the Railway Claims Tribunal Act. There has been shortage of the delivery of the consignment, my lord. And it's a.
No, I'll fix it for hearing. I'll admit it and fix it for
My lord,
hearing.
my lord.
The trial court records are before us, or the original records of the tribunal are before us. Full stop. The appellant is aggrieved by the order, judgment and order of the tribunal. Date of the tribunal, Gauhati bench dated
27 June.
27/6/2025. As they are aggrieved by the quantum of
Yes,
compensation.
Yes, my lord.
Quantum of compensation paid to the appellant. Full stop. Admit this appeal and list it for hearing on 7 May.
My lord.
Item 30.
Respondent number 1 has appeared also. In this case, I want to take step, Lordship, after respondent number 2 by as usual manner, Lordship.
Lordship, I have not received the copy, so
I will promise.
copy I have not received the copy mechanism.
Learned Counsel Mr. K.K. Bhutto is present for the insurance company stroke appellant, and Learned Counsel Mr. A. Agarwal is present for respondent number 1, and has submitted that he has not received the copy of the appeal memo. Poster copy of the appeal, copies to be furnished to the respondent number 1. Then how many respondents?
4 respondents, Lordship.
Okay.
Regarding 3 and 4, Lordship, AD has not yet returned, Lordship. But service may be awaited. And regarding respondent number 2, I may be allowed to take fresh step as usual manner.
Learned Counsel for the appellant has submitted to take fresh steps, which may be taken as per usual process to respondent number 2. Full stop. Steps to be taken as per usual process to issue notice to respondent number 2. Full stop. A service report is awaited for respondent number 3 and 4. List after 4 weeks. Item 31.
May I please your lordship? With the consent of other side, I am appearing on behalf of O.S. Manna. Kindly read the matter after 1 with my lord.
Learned Counsel Miss
M. Begum.
M. Begum is present on behalf of Learned Counsel Mr. Y.S. Mannan, and is prayed for adjournment after obtaining consent from the respondents. List the matter after 1 week.
1.
Okay. Item 32.
May I please your lordship? First of all, I am appearing on behalf of A.K. Gupta lordship. We need 2 weeks time to file objection lordship.
Learned Counsel Miss
B.S. Ojha, 32. Yeah, मला कोण आहे?
the other side is present.
I'm appearing for the state of Arunachal Pradesh in this case, madam.
For the state of
Arunachal Pradesh, madam. The appellant in this case is District Medical Officer Chalna.
Okay. Learned government.
Yes.
Learned government senior government advocate.
Additional senior government.
Learned double AG.
Yes, additional senior government.
Learned additional senior government advocate Mr.
AMR Adhikari.
Huh?
AMR Adhikari. AMR.
Mr. M.R. Odhikari.
Yes.
Mr. M.R. Odhikari is present for the
applicants, madam.
Applicants.
Yes.
Applicant, one applicant.
Yes, applicant, yes.
One applicant.
Yes.
And
I am for
learned
the sole
counsel
respondent.
Miss
B.S. Ojha.
B.S.
Appearing on
Ojha.
behalf of A.K. Gupta.
There are other respondents also in this case, madam. I think they have not appeared. Because she is appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Gupta, who is appearing for respondent number 1. And 2, 3, 4 are the minor, they were the minor sons of the deceased madam. And 5, I think, she is the mother of the deceased. So all they are all related. Yes, related.
Okay.
But
is
he has
present-
filed wakalatnama only on behalf of respondent number 1. Yes.
is present on behalf of learned government railway,
No,
especially
no, no.
A.K. Gupta.
A.K.
A.K. Gupta.
He's for railways or something.
No,
of
no,
that
no,
sort.
no.
Is present on behalf of
Claimant.
learned counsel, Mr. A.K. Gupta.
Yes.
Plain learned counsel.
Yes.
Mr. A.K. Gupta, representing the respondent number 1, and has submitted for time to file what?
Objection, Lordship.
Objection against this application, full stop. The
Question is, but
For all the respondents, Lordship.
one, you are present for all the respondents.
Yes, Lordship.
but office note says, my lord, he has entered appearance for 1 only. 11/3/2026 office note.
Yeah. Only one.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Otherwise, they are all connected, madam.
Yes.
Yes, the sons and
What
daughters.
about respondent number 5? Something wrong, something went wrong with the service.
No, service
There's
report
a-
of
huh?
has been received with a statement by the process server that the notice was personally received, madam, and signed by the respondent. Place at the flag marked service report is there, madam.
Respondent number 5, no?
Yes, she personally received it, madam. That's what the office note says.
Personnel. Okay, the service report to কাটি দিয়া, huh? Where is the কালত নামা? তাৰ কাৰণে appearance চাই দিয়া অকমান চেক কৰি দিওঁ। ইয়াত থাকিব নেকি কালত নামা? চোৱাচোন। A.K. Gupta কাৰ কাৰণে appearance? এইটো নহয়। আগত হেৰিত নাম থাকিব নেকি? নাই। নাই, ইয়াত আছে নেকি? ইয়াত আছে নেকি? নাই। Oh, আছে, 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 আছে।
A.K. Gupta is Mr. Respondent number 1.
Respondent number 1 will লিখিছে। Respondent number 1 এখানে কৈছে। না, এই নাথাকো। টাইমটো এলাও কৰি দিবা। কৈছে তেনেকে। Respondent number 1 to 5.
Mine.
He is appearing for respondent number 1 according to Okalatnama.
Yes.
But let's see.
For all,
List
for
this
all
matter after you have submitted for time to file
2 weeks.
objection.
Yes, Lordship.
এইটো note down কৰিলা নেকি? Objection. Has submitted for time to file objection. Has paid for time to file objection. This matter when
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
Date may be fixed because they have filed an
Date-
execution petition there.
6th of May.
My lord.
Obliged.
But 6th, I have a problem.
We can change it.
Can it be 8th, my lord?
Can be.
Okay.
8th.
Online.
Obliged.
Item 33.
Next year.
Yes.
Super. Interlocutory application has been filed to consider the 50% of the awarded amount, Lordship. Earlier, Honorable Court passed in order, Lordship, that Lordship kindly have a look at page,
IA.
Lordship. IA, Lordship.
Why?
I-
Who won the 80% of the amount?
Lordship, awarded amount, that is a statutory provision.
I know, I know.
In this particular case, Lordship, this is was a government employee, and that is why, Lordship, as per judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, they are getting the full salary till letter of retirement. That is why they are entitled only to the conventional head. Accordingly, we have deposited the amount at a admission stage. Lordship has directed to deposit some amount. We have deposited the amount, and that may be released. Now they have filed an application that 50% should be deposited. That will be
80%, yes.
50%.
50%. Lordship, they are not entitled to 50% as per judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. So we have deposited the amount.
No, there is no judgment. Even though they are earning pension, we
Yes,
can
yes.
give them.
Lordship, kindly have a look at page 51. 51 of my interlocutory application. 51 para 21, I have annexed a judgment of the Honorable.
Then Lordship may fix this matter. We will file an objection to the petition filed by them. We will file an objection to the petition. They are not
You are
entitled.
referring to my judgment.
Lordship, no, it is passed by Honorable Apex Court, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship has
Page
passed the
51,
judgment to that
Lordship.
effect. Lordship has passed the judgment to that effect.
I was a person passed the judgment to that effect.
Lordship, recently one other judgment has been passed by another coordinate bench where they said only future prospect is entitled, not the amount for the dependency as in case of a government employee who is receiving full salary.
Full salary.
Only amount future prospect.
Government no, I have not passed for the employee who is receiving it. For his legal heirs, the government employee has passed away. He has died. Here also is this the same case?
Same case. And Lordship has directed that claimant is entitled for a whole amount.
No, of course not.
Oh.
Why will that is not the judgment of the Supreme Court. I followed the judgment of the Supreme Court in letter and spirit.
Lordship, kindly have a look at page 51.
No, he was saying that he has referred to my judgment. That's why I'm asking.
Oh, no.
You have referred to my judgment. I remember passing a judgment.
2 weeks. Objection. Lordship, fixed it just after 2 weeks, we will find an objection to that effect.
You are appealing for all the respondents.
I'm the appellant, Lordship.
You are the appellant.
For intent.
No, now, okay. You are the claimant.
No. He is the claimant.
You are the insurance company.
Lordship.
Okay. It was IA 3864? IA 3864.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Counsel Mr. LR Muzumdar is present for the applicants, and Learned Counsel Mr. SK Goswami is present for the insurance company, and has submitted that he will file an objection against this application. List this matter after 1 week?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Lordship, a date meetings.
Data.
On 5th of May.
5th of May.
May I please, Lordship judgment, can I get the number of Lordship? Lordship judgment, if Lordship possible.
I forgot. It was, I think, 4-5 months back. I forgot.
I will search Lordship.
I absolutely forgot, but it's relating to pension.
Lordship,
I passed the judgment, but after following the Apex Court's latest up-to-date judgment. Absolutely forgotten.
Item 34.
Next is Lordship, this application is filed for modification of order dated 22/8/2025. That order, Lordship, page 7, Lordship. At 11 page 8, 9, page 9, 8, Lordship. Lordship was directed to the petitioner to appear before the trial court within 15 days, Lordship. And on 15 days, Lordship, he appeared for his counsel, Lordship. If it's cannot appeal. Last of that request.
Okay, you want an extension of the,
Lordship, only 1 week, Lordship.
this is an IA, no?
Lordship.
Okay, we'll extend it.
Extend, my lord, just one thing, my lord. Probably I have no objection in that, my lord. But what happened, my lord? He is seeking extension for an order that was passed earlier, my lord. Now the case has proceeded, and now new orders have passed whereby NBW has been issued against him. So until and unless that orders were not under challenge, my lord, it will not give any purpose, my lord, not serve any purpose. That is what I want to submit, my lord. Because he wants, because the order that is issued, my lord, by the Honorable Trial Court, my lord, that is before the, that is in September or October, my lord. But
We'll
now,
not challenge the NBW.
because if that's that in that order also such type of protection is needed for his appearance, my lord. So perhaps this petition in this state may not be maintainable, my lord.
No. We'll have to challenge the NBW.
It's okay, my lord.
When was this order passed?
Order was passed on, Lordship, 22/8/2020.
Oh, no, that was long time back.
Long time.
Lordship.
That is,
It was filed on 28, this application was filed on 28/1/2026, Lord. But listed today, Lordship.
Okay.
But it is
Meanwhile, NBWA has been issued.
Lordship. NBW.
Okay. How did you come to know that NBWA has been issued?
Their orders are there, my lord, because
Order-
our rejection order is there, my lord.
6/9/2025.
Lordship, kindly see page 14, my lord. Last paragraph. my lord.
Okay, okay. Yes.
Considering the entire facts and circumstances of the case, the fact that the petitioner could not satisfy the court as to why the accused person could not appear before this court within 15 days from the day of passing the order by the Honorable Gauhati High Court, I deem it fit and proper to issue NBW against the above named accused person.
No, he's correct. You'll have to challenge the NBW.
Not sure.
We'll leave this matter pending or you'll withdraw it.
Lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw, Lordship.
You can withdraw it and you can file a I believe under section 482 you can file a.
Because they can and also enacting this order. So
Yes.
Lordship's earlier order can be annexed.
Yes. Learned Counsel Mr. Ayush Chaudhary has prayed for withdrawal of this application. Learned additional PP, Mr. MP Goswami is also present and has placed his submission. Full stop. But this application is dismissed on withdrawal.
Lordship. Give your word.
Item 36.
Yes.
As per order, as per office note dated 7/4/2026, respondent number 1, the service report upon respondent number 1, 2, 3 are awaited, Your Ladyship.
Okay.
You may wait.
Done. Yes.
Sir, also the LCI is not received.
Okay.
Reminder.
We'll admit it. We'll admit it.
Already.
Not admitted, I think so. Not admitted.
It
Then
is-
we can call for the LCR.
It is admitted, Your Ladyship.
Already admitted. Appeal is already admitted.
MSc 96 of 2026. Also heard Mr. for the respondents. Call for the TCR. There's no order for admission.
Ladyship, as per order dated.
Because of waterlogging, my file has not reached. That is why, Lordship, we are dependent on.
It is not admitted, Your Ladyship.
Are you sure? Not admitted, no?
Yes.
Last date is 6/3.
6/3. Yes, Your Ladyship.
So what about your file? What file?
My own file has not reached the court because
Also
they are
you-
only waterlogging, they have not come. So, Lordship, fix this matter, wait for service report, Lordship.
Yes, we can wait for service report.
Yes.
Instead of calling for the LCR. If you want, I can admit it.
Lordship
This
can
is
also
a
admit
MAC
this.
appeal, I can admit it.
Admit.
Statutory appeal. I can admit it. You are an insurance company.
Yes, Lordship.
I can admit it. এইটো দেখুৱাই দিয়াচোন অৰ্ডাৰটো। The signature is like mine. Not admitted, no? See? I'll admit it.
Lordship.
লিখি দিয়া hard learned counsel Mr. S. Your name or his name?
My name.
Your name. Hard learned counsel Mr. S.K. Goswami for the insurance company, comma, the appellant who is aggrieved by the judgment and order dated 13/11/2025 passed by the learned MSCT number 2 Kamrup Metro Gauhati. First of the insurance company is aggrieved by the quantum of compensation. Quantum of compensation awarded to the claimants. Admit this appeal. Call for the original records from the tribunal. Issue notice to the respondents. Returnable within 4 weeks. List accordingly.
Publish.
37.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, yes.
Your Lordship may peruse office note dated 6/4/2026. Your Lordship, in respect of respondent number 1, services not completed. As the notices were returned back as respondent could not be traced at his address. And as regards respondent number 2, notices were duly served, Your Lordship.
What do you want to do about respondent number 1?
In respect of respondent number 1, Your Lordship, we may be given some time to ascertain the correct address, Your Lordship,
Okay.
and then to take pray steps upon them.
Heard learned counsel, Miss
P. Bothakur?
P. Bothakur for the Oriental Insurance Company.
No, Your Lordship, it's Chola Mandalam.
Okay, okay.
General
Oh, this
Insurance
is
Company.
okay. This is 37 for the insurance company. For the insurance company, full stop. Office note dated 6/4/2026 indicates that notice has been served to respondent number 2, but the respondent number 1 could not be traced out in a given address. Full stop. The learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that they may try to locate the proper address of respondent number 1. And then serve notice, list this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
Item 38.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, as per office note, service report is awaited, Lordship. Only one respondent.
Only one respondent, no? This is
Let the-
condonation of delay.
No, no, Lordship. That is, interest amount has not been paid. They have
Okay.
deposited the settled amount, but
Okay.
interest not deposited.
Okay, okay. Heard learned counsel Mr. M. Talukdar
Lordship.
for the applicant, full stop. Office note dated 7/4/2026 indicates that service report of respondent number 1 is awaited.
Lordship.
Any other respondent? No.
Lordship.
Only insurance company.
Only one.
Missed
Matter may
after
be
1
fixed-
week, 2 weeks?
Matter may be fixed in the month of May, any date.
Date or detail? Tell me.
Obliged, Lordship.
List this matter on tell me.
Item 39. May I please? My lord, as per office note dated 6/4, my lord, notice was sent by registrar on 13/3, my lord. But neither ID card nor unserved notice has been returned back. My lord, this my address of the respondent is at Gauhati, my lord. Definitely they may have received it.
Notice issued to respondent 1 to 4 by speed post.
One
Dated no ID card or unserved notice or respond number is received.
No.
This is relating to what?
My lord, actually, the petitioner filed a suit, my lord.
Huh?
Petitioners filed a suit for, my lord, partition and injunction, my lord.
Condonation of delay
My lord,
of 2 days.
2 days. No. And in fact, my lord, if the time taken in the opening certified copies, my lord, counted, then there is no delay. No.
Do you have the track consignment report?
My lord, it was sent to the registry, my lord. So the office can verify.
Speed post?
Yes, speed post also was sent by, we just paid the, my lord, this amount of postal amount, my lord, by postal stamp. But the rest,
That do you have the receipt?
no, it is in the office, my lord. Or office of registry. It is sent by office, my lord. So the registry may be directed to.
No, you see, if you send a notice by speed post,
My lord.
you have to make the effort to give the track consignment report, and it has to complete 1 month. According to
No,
order,
yes, my lord, 1 month is.
order 5, rule 9/5.
Yes, my lord, that is.
And it's
true.
not over. 1 month is not over.
No, 13/3, my lord. Today is, my lord,
13/3.
24. 1 month
So
is
you
over.
give me the track consignment
My lord,
report.
this,
No,
No,
without
my-
any effort. Why should I call from the registry?
No,
why should I
no,
make
my
the
lord, my
effort?
lord, process in the Honorable High Court is that all the notices are sent by the office of the Honorable Court.
But everybody gives me track consignment report and affidavit.
No, my lord, if the Honorable Court direct, then they will track they will track this matter, my lord, and then they will provide it to.
No court is directing. The track consignment report and affidavit is submitted by the on its own motion. We can pass an order to direct you to submit track consignment report.
But no, I will, my lord, if they provide me the postal receipt, I can, but the postal receipt in the office, my lord. Not with.
No, you see, you give the track consignment report.
But my lord, unless I know the, my lord, the postal, the number, my lord, how I can get it? Because the postal.
If you do not want to give, then we'll wait for the traffic report.
I have no problem, my lord. But the postal receipt, my lord, by which it was sent, this receipt is in the office, my lord. So the office provides it, then I can give, my lord.
No, this is not the way.
No, my lord, it is.
Why will the office give
No,
you
my
the
lord,
postal receipt?
all the notices sent by the office, my lord, not by the parties, my lord.
That is why their parties are submitting track consignment report.
No, but my lord, if they provide the postal receipt, then we can submit, my lord. We can track it, my lord. But my lord, there remains some number, my lord, by which this was sent. And if those numbers are, unless those numbers are entered in the, my lord, this website of postal department.
Yes, you can ask the registry. Why should I pass an order?
But my lord, the Honorable Court is also in some cases.
No, I can pass an order that you'll submit a track consignment report. I will not pass an order. You'll go to the registry will provide you the receipt. Then after taking the receipt, you'll take down the number. From the number, you'll get the track consignment. All these orders I'm not passing.
No, my lord, the Honorable Court passing such orders, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, they will not give.
I'll pass an order to provide the track consignment report.
Yes,
I'll pass an order. Learned Counsel, Mr. J.C. Gore is present for the applicant and has submitted that steps have been taken on 13/6/2026, which is also indicated in the office note dated 6/4/2026 that service notices have been issued by speed post to the respondent number 124 on 13/3/2026. Full stop. The applicants may submit a track consignment report along with an affidavit. I must write affidavit about affidavit also.
No, we can
submit a track consignment report or affidavit relating to service of notice.
And my lord, the petitioner is allowed to obtain the postal receipt from the office.
No,
my lord, unless the postal receipt.
I haven't seen such an order.
No, my lord,
this matter.
Then my lord, how will my lord, either I have to send the notice myself, my lord, or the postal receipt to otherwise how the postal
office may allow to check the postal receipt by the applicants. Office may allow the applicants to check the postal receipt.
That will do. Obliged.
List after 4 weeks.
Item 40.
Wait, please, also. This is an application for condonation of delay. Delay is of 244 days.
We'll issue notice. Learned Counsel Mr. M. Taludar is present for the applicant. Full stop. Issue notice to the respondents returnable within 4 weeks. List accordingly.
Steps, well, also. Steps.
Steps to be taken as per usual process as well as to speed post. Oh, completed. Not only 40 items over. No other work also now.
Thank you.